Hey, good morning. We got we're loaded up. We're fixing to go to the farmers market to sell, and we don't have as much as we usually do, but this is the first time and this year that we're going, so we've got a pretty good stuff. I'll show you more when I get set up with all we got, but I want to show you these Big Bertha peppers. It's a green bell pepper. I planted about 4 of these, and them things are humongous. I keep pulling out the smaller one, but I got one in there. I mean, that thing is huge. So we got the car loaded up. Usually we take the truck if we got a lot of stuff, and it's about 6:30. I hope to leave here in a few minutes. Hopefully we'll be set up by about 7:15. So it don't take that long to get there. It's about a 20-minute drive or so for us. So anyway, look at these tomatoes too. So this is the earliest we've had tomatoes to sell. We've been eating tomatoes for the last couple of weeks. You know, they're not all coming in a bunch, but you know, sporadically they're coming in, or sporadically, I guess. So anyway, I'm gonna go get me some coffee and get my partner, and got my swag on, and we're gonna hit the road, get set up. I'll show you when we get. Oh, I got one more thing I gotta show you too. Now these were hard to get. Got a few blueberries that I talked her out of selling, and we got some more in there. We picked a couple days ago, and I wanted to sell them all, but you know how it goes. I mean, they love blueberries. I don't like them all that much, but I like them. My daughter makes a blueberry muffin, and I like it a lot, and I eat the far out of them things. So anyway, we're gonna get to hit the road. I gotta get me some coffee. It's making or brewing, and I don't know what we'll do for breakfast, but used to be a Hardee's on the way. We'd stop and get us a biscuit, but they closed up. So we'll probably just do that. I don't know if we're gonna be there all that long. We got probably, I don't know, I got probably a half a bushel of peppers. I've got a lot of squash. I've got almost a bushel of squash, a few of those tomatoes, and I probably got maybe half a bushel of cucumbers. So I'll show you those. Let me show you the cucumbers. They're just starting to come in. Of course, this is just a regular old pickling cucumber. This is that organic cucumber. And then I got these DeMonts coming in. And this is one of my favorite. And I'm going to do a little taste test in another video. And then I got some, I got a few, I don't know. It's right here called Green Light. It's like a mini slicing cucumber. And these are really good too. So, of course, we got eggs. I forgot about eggs. We got a ton of eggs this week. I don't know why. I think one of our big buyers is out of town or something. So hopefully we'll have a good sale. So anyway, I'm gonna get my coffee, get my better half, and I'll see you at the market.
And it is incredible, like totally different taste than the ground cherry itself. I think that's like we always talk about if we put it on like toast or something, it has like a buttery kind of taste, which is really weird. And like it's super seedy. Okay, so we're back and it's about 11:30, so we was there about 4 hours, maybe a little longer than that, 4.5 hours, and it was really slow. We did sell out, but we didn't sell out till about 11, so you know, we're kind of worried about that. Is it going to be kind of slow this year or what? And we didn't really have a whole lot of stuff like we usually do. We usually have like a whole truckload of stuff. So I don't know. We'd be kind of worried. Like I said, we sold out everything we brought, so I guess that's a good thing. So anyway, I was going to shoot some more there, but I just kind of got busy and got to yakking, and I didn't want to, you know, I forgot to record. So anyway, we're gonna go do something else. It's not the end of the video, so we'll go do that, and I'll see you over there. Hey, we're out here at the kitchen garden, and I'm gonna give you a little update of how things are going. The squash, this first row, it came up really nice. The peppers are doing good. I think we've had one that got broken a little bit, but the rest of them look great. And I fertilized these once, and I'm getting ready to fertilize them again. Beans is the next row, and they look good. And then
course, our tomatoes, we got 2 cherry, 2 celebrity, and then 3 Camaro. And I started putting these water cages around them. I've got some more, I just didn't have time to do it. And these are left over from, we had a small garden back there. You know, they work pretty good, so I'm gonna try them out again. I can't remember if we liked them or not. I got a ton of them. You can hear that thunder, it's coming to storm. And I got some Bella Rosa tomatoes that we planted here. I got 3 of those. I just planted them a couple days ago. And they're a heat set tomato too. These Camaros are heat set. Celebrity are semi-heat set. And then of course the cherry tomatoes, I don't know about those. And over here, of course, we got the 2 picnic cucumbers each, so it's 4 total. And they seem to be doing all right. I'm gonna hit them a little fertilizer too. So I got 2 zucchini coming up, and then I had to replant 2. And I just had to go to the hardware store and get some, it's called dark green zucchini, which is pretty common around here. So I got 2 hills of that going. I don't know why the other 2 didn't come up, but that's the way it goes sometimes. And I'm fixing to hit these with fertilizer before this storm gets here. And I'm using an 18-18-21 water soluble fertilizer. Everything I use is water soluble. Of course, this is not organic, this is a chemical. And I started them out with organic, and if you notice when I planted my tomatoes, I forgot to use that granular organic fertilizer in the bone meal. So, but these have done all right. They're not as good as the ones that I did use it, so it does make a difference. So anyway, I'm gonna get that, and it's just pouring water in there. You don't have to see that. Appreciate you watching the video. Hit that subscribe button. Got a lot of new subscribers. We post videos 7 days a week, so check us out, find us, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and support your local farmer. We had a really good day at the market, like I said previously, and we'll be back there hopefully next Saturday. So support your local farmer, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, look, boom, hit it. We appreciate it. We appreciate all the subscribers, appreciate your time watching us. We'll see you back here in the farm in the next video.